fly out. You freed yourself. Good morning. Hi, Tom Tom. Good morning. Good morning, ladies. Good morning, Big Ben. My egg haul today. The ladies are really in overproduction. So I finished cleaning the area to start all over again. Very sad. Are you guys fighting?
I would just leave it fall all in because.
Okay, I listen to you.
Yeah, look. Now, Johnny. We make that. You take the hives.
Yeah.
And then you change them and then you spin them so they hit the base of the barrel.
Oh,
The
okay.
side, I mean.
And then you turn it the other
No, I
side.
don't think you kept this really good, or it's still really heavy.
Still heavy?
Maybe that's just the.
Close the door for me, please. You
Yeah,
need
but-
a new one?
No, I'm. Look well. Yeah, it's working good.
And through the pantyhose it goes. After boiling it in some water and I want to do this this is a paint I used before in my bedroom to help the mold problem, and it did work out very good. Brandy, you enjoying a made-up bed? I just took this little bird out of the fireplace here. I thought first it was dead. I thought it died. But I'm in a dilemma right now because I have 11 cats. I don't know if you can see, but I have the bird in here. I took my box where I put my seeds in and I dumped all the seeds out. And so that's the little bird. No, you don't. Come. So tomorrow morning, I'm gonna leave him free. Brandy, you're not gonna stay up there. Come. It's not for you. Come. Oh, it's fast. Is it bleeding?
No, it hit his head very hard.
Well, what you could do is just... Chico will not catch it. Let me see. Oh, the eyes are closed.
No, it opened its eyes.
You can just... One eye is closed. You can wet it down a little bit. Oh,
It flew so hard against the window.
one eye was really closed. Maybe that's why it flew hard against the window, because it has one eye closed. Look. You see? Maybe it just has one eye.
No, it doesn't. It flew because like Mika is in there and she tried to catch it.
Oh. But you can leave him go. He'll be fine.
You're okay, buddy.
Oh, yeah, now he opened his eye. You see, put some more cold water on his feet, like this. Or just, maybe I should put some more water. Hold it a minute. Just wet it a little bit, like to wake it up, you know, like...
Oh, there he goes. Okay, it was fine.
Well,
I think.
yeah, I hope so. It's been raining a lot. The sun there. Today I went to order some new bees. I hope I could still catch a swarm. So hopefully next week I will be getting them. What I am going to do now is take some wax from the honey I still have of that and put in the beehive and see if that's gonna help. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that. So this is honey I harvested like last year, and this is yeah, still some wax. Another bird came into the fireplace. All the cats tried to grab it. One cat grabbed it, had it in its mouth. Let's see if it's not hurt. Let me see. Okay, it flew away. You! That was not nice.